Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Rosa, a girl with a kind heart and dreamy soul. She grew up in a loving family, surrounded by her parents' affection. Rosa was an only child, and her home was her world. When she turned 19, Rosa met João, a charming boy who won her heart. They fell madly in love and at the age of 22 decided to take a brave step and get married. The love between them was so intense that they seemed made for each other. Together, they embarked on a new journey, ready to face whatever life had in store for them. 5 years later, Rosa and João felt the need to change their lives and left for a new state, Oklahoma. The decision was motivated by the presence of Rosa's friend Elizabeth, who already lived there. At first, the adaptation was challenging. They left the familiarity of home behind and ventured into an unknown place. But little by little, they began to meet the city's residents and become enchanted with their new community. A special day arrived when Elizabeth and her family decided to visit Rosa in Oklahoma. The news brought joy and expectation to everyone. When Elizabeth and her family finally arrived, the meeting was filled with smiles and warm hugs. The couple spent hours engaged in lively conversations while the children played and created precious memories. The next day, Rosa and Elizabeth decided to go to the market together to shop. During the journey, they shared stories and secrets, strengthening their friendship even further. In a moment of confidence, Rosa asked Elizabeth if she had had any cosmetic procedures done on her face. Elizabeth, with a sincere look, replied that she had not had any treatment. However, Rosa couldn't ignore the difference between them. She looked in the mirror and noticed the wrinkles marking her face, while Elizabeth radiated a timeless beauty. Curious and determined to uncover the secret, Rosa went in search of the truth. Upon returning home, Rosa grabbed her computer and started researching. That's when she discovered TimelessBeauty, a revolutionary product that promised incredible results. With hope and enthusiasm, she purchased 6 jars and anxiously awaited their delivery. When the pots arrived, Rosa felt a mixture of excitement and nervousness. She followed the instructions and started using the product. The days passed, and Rosa watched with admiration the transformations on her face. The wrinkles were disappearing, her skin was gaining a new glow, and she felt radiant. The discovery of TimelessBeauty became Rosa's secret. She found an affordable and effective way to take care of her appearance, regaining the confidence and inner beauty she had always possessed. Now, she shares her story with everyone who crosses her path, inspiring them to seek solutions that bring happiness and self-esteem. And so, Rosa continues her life journey, full